Alright, so we're gonna go check out, finally.
Oh, the popcorn stand.
Popcorn stand.
I forgot what it's called.
Popcorn stand?
Popcorn stand. Well,
Something Kettle.
you'll have the name in the title of the video.
But we're gonna check it out, and then we'll report back and see what we think.
Sure to subscribe.
You heard the girl.
These guys together. I'm not a big popcorn person. Oh my god, okay. I've only had it a few times, but it tastes exactly like Fruity Pebbles. Like, exactly like I was eating a bowl of Fruity Pebbles. It's not bad, it's just probably not my jam. Yeah. Fruity Pebbles. Oh. Oh. I got a spicy one. Oh. That's like a hot tamale. This is like eating candy. With some popcorn. Candy.
So I'm kind of worried now because the princess did ask if we should get a drink, and I was like, no, we'll be good. It's popcorn, how bad could it be? But seeing her face, this might be a mistake. Smells good. It's really those old like multi-popcorn bins you used to get, like little dividers, like the cheese and the butter and the caramel. This has a very candy-like taste. Very sweet.
Tastes spicy. Eat that one.
I can tell it should be spicy, but unfortunately I'm still dead inside, so I feel literally nothing. But it is basically like eating candy. I don't know if I like it. Me, also not being a huge popcorn fan. 2 out of 5 claws. Most people eat this, but I don't consider it to be edible. No, I don't like it. I don't like it. It tastes horrible, actually. Hey everyone, Prince the Bear here. We just finished that Saka's Kettle. Thoughts?
Hard pass.
Yeah. I just had a coughing fit for the last 30 minutes. I'm trying to record this because of spice in the back of the throat. The popcorn is kind of like
meh.
Cold and meh. The flavor is just kind of weird. It's like sweet and sticky, but then like some of them are spicy. It just doesn't work for me.
Yeah, I'm not a fan.
There's much better popcorn to find in Disney period.
It's true.
It honestly wasn't worth a 15-minute wait.
Go to Epcot for good popcorn.
So I'm glad we at least tried it.
Yes. Skip it.
I hope I don't die, but
maybe there was mango in it.
yeah, maybe there was mango in it. Could be. I'm kind of itchy. Anyway, if you had Saka's Kettle, let us know. I want to hear about it from you guys in the comments. Maybe we're sleeping on popcorn. Let us know what other popcorn we should try. Does Magic Kingdom have the best popcorn? Does Epcot have the best popcorn? I don't know. You guys tell me. But hit the bell notification once you see our next video, and we'll see you soon.
Be sure to subscribe.
You heard the girl.